Welcome! Today we're going inside a modern noodle factory to see how noodles are really made from red potatoes.
It's a fascinating process. Let's walk through it step by step.
These all start as red potatoes? Exactly. We only select firm, high-quality potatoes. No bruises or defects.
Anything imperfect gets removed right here.
That's quick.
These machines peel efficiently while minimizing waste. This step separates the starch from the potato fibers. Starch is what gives the noodles their structure and texture. It looks like dough now. We mix the starch with water and natural binders to create elasticity. Now they actually look like noodles! That's the extrusion process. Precision shaping through molds. They're partially cooked here. Steam gelatinizes the starch, setting the noodle structure. Why cool them so quickly? To lock in texture and prevent overcooking. Everything is perfectly measured. Consistency is key in mass production. Drying removes moisture for longer shelf life. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. And this is the final product, ready to ship worldwide under strict hygiene standards. And this is the final product. And then ready to ship worldwide
Under strict hygiene standards.